we are going to work on our first mini project of this course, and we are just going to combine all the concepts we have learned together into one single small project so that we can better solidify everything we've learned so far. So I created a file called miniprojects.py under chapter 3. And then I have this little task that we are going to perform together. So what you can do is you can first of all pause the video and attempt it by yourself, or we could just go along and solve this together. So the question says, create a Python script that takes two numbers from a user and performs addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So now that we have read the question, you know that we had talked about all of these concepts, starting from declaring a variable to collecting inputs from the user. So the first thing that the question says is that create a Python script that takes two numbers from the user. So first of all, we're going to break this task down into different sections. So we know that the first thing we need to do is collect two numbers from the user. So I'll create a variable and I'll call it first number, or num1. You just say num1, and I can equate this to the input function. That's not that, the input function that Python gives to us. I'm going to say input, then enter first number. And then I will do the same thing for num2. I'll say num2 is equals to input of enter second number. Right. Now remember that anytime we want to perform, like operations like arithmetic operations, we can't perform those operations on strings because we can't add two strings together and expect to get a numerical value back. So what we need to do is we need to convert both into integers. Remember we had talked about the int keyword, which helps to combine and which helps to convert strings to integers. So what we're going to do is we're going to wrap each of these inside int keyword. I'm going to say int, and I'll wrap this inside the int keyword. And I will do the same here. I'm going to put int there and wrap it inside the int method or function. So what Python is then going to do is it's going to get these inputs from the terminal, from the user, and it's going to automatically convert it into an integer. Now, the next thing that it says is that we need to, after taking the inputs from the user, we need to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So what we need to do next is we need to write out code which is going to perform 4 of these operations individually. So the first one is addition. I will create a variable and I'll call it addition, and I will equate it to, let's say, first number, or num1, I mean, num1 plus num2. So this is just going to help us sum the values of num1 and num2 and store it inside the addition variable. Now the next one is subtraction. So I'm going to say subtraction is equals to num1 minus num2. Then I'll do the exact same thing for multiplication. Multiplication to be equals to num1 multiplied by num2. And then it's supposed to be equals to, and then the final one is going to be division. I'm going to say division is equals to num1 divided by num2. So what we can then do is we can come and print out all of these values. So I can print out addition, I can print out subtraction, I can print out multiplication, and I can print out division. So I want you to take a look at this program and analyze it. So let's analyze it again. So the question said we should collect two numbers from the user. So it takes in two numbers. So we have written the script which will ask the user to enter the two numbers right here using the input keyword. Then after using the input keyword, we converted it into an integer using the int keyword. Now, after doing that, we created four variables. Each of these variables are assigned to their own different arithmetic operations of these two values which we have collected. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And then after performing these operations, we're just simply printing them out. So once I run this script, it's going to ask us for the first number. I'm going to enter 56, and to ask for the second number, let's enter 4. So once it runs, it says addition is num1 plus num2, which is 60. 56 plus 4 is 60. Then the subtraction is 52. Multiplication is 224, and division is 14.0. So this is exactly how we can combine all of the concepts. Now, to even make it a formatted string, we could do something like this. We could put the F keyword, and in quotes, we can say the addition is, and in here we just pass in addition. So that way, when I run it, it will ask for the first number, 6, second number, let's say 3. And you can see that it prints out the addition is 9. So what I want you to do is, I want you to practice this. I want you to go through each of these print statements, and I want you to use a formatted string to print a formatted string just like the first one. So the second one is going to say the subtraction is subtraction, the multiplication is multiplication, the division is division. Now, to make it even a bit more complex, even though it won't be really complex, but to make it a bit more complex, I want you to add in the formatted string that will print it out in the format. The addition of num1 plus num2 is the result. So let's say, for example, it's going to say the addition of 6, the addition of 6 and 7 is 13. So I want you to print it out in this formatted manner. So that is all we are going to talk about in this section. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask, and I will reply you or get back to you.